Hi Z's and welcome to our Why series. This week it's all about why Windows 10 Pro. Now before we get into this I need to clarify that yes, Microsoft have multiple versions of their operating system which all come with their different features and benefits, but today we're focusing on why Windows 10 Pro and why it could be the right operating system for you or your customers. To have a better understanding, here are some questions you might need to ask or consider. Some of these questions might sound like, is this device for work purposes? Will the device be managed by work? Are you or your customers worried about how secure your data is? If you answered yes to any of these, it is essential that you choose the right operating system. For businesses, it should always start with Windows 10 Pro. Windows 10 Pro is designed to give individuals and teams power to do more without working more. So let's run through some of the benefits that Windows 10 Pro offers for you and your customers. Security is always top of mind, and especially for businesses and educational institutions. With the ever-lingering thought of, if I'm targeted by a cybersecurity attack, how safe is my data? Rest assured, Windows 10 is the most secure Windows ever. Windows 10 Pro includes built-in protection for your data and devices, even securing lost or stolen devices. Microsoft has a long history of protecting data. We understand when users travel, the confidential data goes with them. Wherever confidential data is stored, it must be protected against unauthorized access. A great example of this is BitLocker. BitLocker is a device encryption and data protection that integrates with the operating system, giving you peace of mind if your device is lost or stolen. BitLocker puts all your data on lockdown, so no one else can access your system or data. BitLocker provides the most protection when used with a Trusted Platform Module, or TPM chip, which is version 1.2 or later. The TPM chip is a hardware component installed in many newer, modern devices by the computer's manufacturer. It works with BitLocker to help protect your data and to ensure that a computer has not been tampered with while the system was offline. BitLocker offers the option to lock the normal startup process until the user supplies the personal identification number or PIN, or inserts a removable device such as a USB that contains a startup key. This additional security measure provides multi-factor authentication and assurance that the computer will not start up or resume from hibernation until the correct PIN number or startup key is presented. Another one is maybe you're a developer and you want to test how an app or a program runs, but you don't want to put your device or operating system at risk. One of the latest features built into Windows 10 Pro is Windows Sandbox. Windows Sandbox gives you the power to run untrusted software in an isolated, virtual temporary desktop environment without infecting your PC. Windows 10 Pro is designed for how you work now and ready for how you'll work tomorrow, all while ensuring you are your most productive self. Windows 10 Pro gives you the ability to collaborate, share notebooks, and whiteboard. Whether you're working on your own or within a team, it's the feeling of getting in the zone and staying there. Windows 10 Pro enables core business services, like single sign-on, which is the ability to sign into different applications and services using a single username and password. It's a real time saver. Just sign in once and you can work across applications and services without missing a beat. I know for sure this is something that makes my life so much easier. As well as remote desktop, because you never know when inspiration is going to strike. Remote desktop lets you unlock and access your own machine, all your folders and files and apps just the way you left them, from virtually any device. And right now, that's a great feature. Now, productivity is only amplified by the wide range of modern devices that are out there and available now. You can take advantage of the versatility of a brand new, thin, light, foldable, or detachable 2-in-1 modern device, giving you great experiences with voice, digital pen, and touch, all while knowing you are getting the best performance with the latest hardware innovation in processing power and SSD storage to handle any workload. Having a new modern PC has been shown to improve individuals' performance and efficiency by 67%. Simply knowing you can turn on your PC and start in moments rather than minutes is a great experience and saves you so much time during your week. Now, if you're worried about connecting your new Windows 10 Pro device with an existing home or work setup, you'll be happy to know that Windows 10 works with 99% of existing peripherals, like keyboards, mice, monitors, and even webcams. Now, if you or your business is managing devices, Windows 10 Pro simplifies this by managing the identity, the device, and the applications, so you can focus on your business. In this fast-changing environment, success is defined by the ability to adapt. Enabling these flexible management capabilities lets you see the big picture and make changes when needed. With intuitive control over your IT infrastructure, your business can be ready for anything. Taking advantage of the key Windows 10 Pro flexible management features will help your business in many ways. For example, if you're rolling out a new fleet of devices, Windows 10 Pro will enable you to use domain join to add new devices to your network, as well as group policy to set security policies for many devices at once, all from one management console like Microsoft Intune. Having this feature saves a lot of time and simplifies the process, freeing up IT to work on higher value priorities and keep your business running. Now, we all know Windows has had a history of poor timely updates and device restarts. But with Windows Update for Business, users have more control over when and how updates roll out for their device. Instead of Windows informing you that you got 2 hours to restart, users can now pause their updates for up to 7 days and choose when their device restarts. For IT departments, Windows Updates for Business gives them control on how these updates are configured, tested and updated, ensuring all users have the best experience when updating their device with minimal downtime to the business. Now, as you've heard, there are a lot of reasons to consider Windows 10 Pro as your next operating system of choice. Whether you work or run a business, a student on the go who's got great ideas, Windows 10 Pro will keep your data safe, will make you more productive, and enable you to work how you want to work. Now, Windows 10 Pro paired with a modern device, there's no better match. Now, if you want to learn more about why Windows 10 Pro is great for you, check out ExpertZone for your one place to learn about everything Microsoft. Thanks so much for watching.